labakhona ngaphakathi sibabingelela abalidwa u-District Director Mama Ntombela, Principal, othisha bakhona siyafisa ukuthi sikubingelele kakhulu, siyabonga ukuthi welcome in your school. SGB mayikhona sifisa ukuyibingelela bese sibingelela abantwana. Sanibonani? Sanibona? Oh, okay. Ngiyabona ukuthi nikhona. We decided to, because today is an International Day of Mathematics, as the program director explained why you are here today. We then decided to invite the regional secretary of the ANC, who happened to be one of the learners at that time, abenza in mathematics. That was the regional program director, so that anyone who might want to ask, who are those that are seated in front? Well, the regional secretary of the ANC, who is invited by the MSC as a guest, because Funabona Uguti, Lenda yenza yeMaths nabantwana sifuna bayenza awuphaphisisa isandla nje babingelele. Yes. Ayemshayela izandla. We then as a leadership from the district, Umama uDlandla oqeda kusuka la. We also have a deputy mayor wakhona la eNTZ ozolqhamuka naye azokhuluma later. Siyafisa kakhulu ukuthatha this opportunity to really appreciate that today we are here to talk about maths or mathematics as it is celebrated internationally. As we are here today, even people from Zululand, they are also listening to us because this is an international day. It needs all of us. It's important then to really appreciate that we are here to celebrate this day. I know even other districts, they wanted to be part of this celebration, where leadership of the department is over equal. Njengoba sengishilo ukuthi ngihamba ne-leadership ekhona la as namhlanje sizokhuluma ikakhulukazi ngale topic ebalulekile ye-mathematics. Okuningi kusekuchazile uDDD and the importance yokuthi from grade 8, grade 9 uyithande i-maths, so that when you go to grade 10, where you need to choose, one of the subjects for sure that you will choose is mathematics. That's why we're here to encourage you. I know others, they might think that we find ourselves in the interest at grade 12, but grade 12 also choosile khona. That's why we have an interest of grade 8 and grade 9. So saying mathematics is often seen as a difficult and boring subject by some of learners. Yabona-ke abanye bathi i-maths inzima. Kusho umuntu ongayithandi i-maths. But we are going to explain and demonstrate to you that maths is not difficult. That math is not boring, but it needs you to be committed. You will then also understand the role that is played by mathematics in your life. Not kuphela ngokufunda nokuthi uyayibhala. So it's important to understand ukuthi i-math yenza ini. Hence, we're saying it's important that we, all of us, and encourage even others in other schools, benze i-mathematics. UTTJ has spoken about Hirkwala have improved with more than 10% from the previous financial year, which shows that the people of Hirkwala love maths. So don't disappoint them. If you don't choose maths, that means you don't have an interest of your district, of your municipality. So part of his message is the logic. And when I'm talking about the logic, what is it? Always goes there and because it may assisted you. What is it on anything? Yabona ngisho yabona ingakho mawufunda i-maths even at the foundation level ufundiswa nge-square meter nithi ngekafuza nge-square meter i-square meter phela naso siya ngama-meters ukuthi singakanani or ma-centimeters or whatever meters. So kusho ukuthi you apply i-maths noma ungatshelwa ukuthi i-maths indlela oyenzayo yabo. So ingakho kubalulekile ukuthi siyifunde i-maths. I-maths also assists us in terms of problem